English Weekly Routine. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about how to divide the time to learn English in a week. Okay, let's get to the lesson.
Hey Lucy, do you want to hang out tonight? We can grab dinner or watch a movie together.
Sorry Jason, I'm really busy with studying right now. I can't go with you tonight.
Oh, okay, no problem. How about tomorrow night then?
I'm sorry, but I need to learn tomorrow as well. I just can't make it.
How about the day after?
I'm sorry, same.
Oh, Lucy, I've noticed that you're always busy studying. What are you learning?
Well, I've been studying English.
Do you think you spend too much time studying?
Well, every day I spend a lot of time on listening, speaking, reading, and writing exercises to improve my English skills.
Are you learning all of it in one day?
Yes.
But Lucy, I think learning like that will not be effective.
You are right, Jason. To be honest, I don't see any results even though I study a lot. I feel like my English hasn't improved much.
Well, you know, I also study English every day of the week, but I still have time to do other things. And my English has improved.
How do you manage that? I'm curious.
Well, I have a plan for studying English every week. I think you might be trying to learn too many things in one day. This will overload your brain and make it difficult to remember and improve your English.
That makes sense. Can you tell me more about your weekly study plan?
Of course. First, I choose a specific topic to focus on each week, like grammar or learning about a particular situation, such as going shopping or going to a restaurant.
Interesting. What else?
Then, I set achievable goals for myself, like reading an article, writing a paragraph, practicing listening, or learning 10 new words.
That sounds organized. What do you do next?
After choosing a topic and setting my goals, I divide each day to learn a specific skill related to that topic.
How much time do you spend?
I spend about 30 minutes to an hour studying each day.
Wow, that's short. Can you give me an example?
Sure. Let's say on Monday, I focus on improving my reading skills. I start by selecting a few short texts to read, like a magazine or a short story.
Oh, but reading is always boring.
That is why I always choose topics that I'm interested in or articles from websites I enjoy.
That is a good idea.
Yeah, and it's important to finish the reading without leaving it halfway.
Okay, I got it. Do you have any other tips for improving reading skills?
Yes, try reading out loud. Don't read word by word, it slows down your thinking. Instead, read entire sentences or phrases.
Oh, really?
Yep.
You're right. When I read a book and see a new word, I often have to look it up in the dictionary to understand the meaning of that word. So even reading a page takes a lot of my time.
Yeah, right. If you come across new words, underline them to look up later. You should briefly guess their meanings rather than focusing too much on them.
Why is that?
Because it can slow down your reading comprehension.
Oh, I see. How about Tuesday? What are you learning?
On Tuesday, I work on improving my writing skills.
I'm most afraid of writing skills.
That's okay. You can start with simple writing tasks and gradually progress to more complex ones. For instance, I write about my daily activities or experiences.
Wow, what a great idea. I never thought about it.
Yes, and remember, it's important to use correct grammar and vocabulary.
How do I know if I wrote it correctly?
You could ask someone to revise your writing or review it yourself to ensure improvement.
That makes sense. Can you help me with that?
Sure. Just write down anything and I'll help you review it.
Really? Thank you so much. What about listening skills?
Listening skills are necessary. On Wednesday, I practice by listening to different voices, accents, and contexts. This helps me develop sensitivity in understanding various types of English.
You have a point there. I will practice as you say.
Great. I also write down what I hear.
But I think I can't do that. They are talking too fast. Sometimes I don't understand anything.
You can slow down the audio if needed. And when your listening skill improves, you can adjust the speed.
You're absolutely right. I will do that. What else do you do?
After writing, I listen again to fill in any blanks I missed. That's how I improve my listening skill.
Wow, no doubt about it.
And one more thing.
What is it?
Do you watch English movies?
Yes, I think it's the perfect way to practice my English.
Do you turn on the subtitles?
Yes, why?
I always practice my listening by watching movies without subtitles.
Does it work?
100%. You can also improve your English listening comprehension by doing that.
Interesting. And how about Thursday? What do you do?
On Thursday, I focus on my speaking skills. Shadowing is a useful technique for you to try.
What is it?
You will try to copy what you hear, imitating the pronunciation and intonation.
That sounds good.
You can search on Google to learn more about it.
Okay, what is next?
Another way is to record yourself speaking and then listen to it. You can find your own mistakes and know how you would sound to others. You will know what you need to improve.
Exactly! I totally agree. Learning vocabulary must be important too, right?
Absolutely. On Friday, I spend time learning new words.
Memorizing vocabulary is always a challenge.
Yeah, I learn vocabulary through passages.
Do you have any tips?
Yes, I visualize the words or phrases and simplify them using my imagination. That will help a lot.
I usually learn the root of the words. Should I do it?
Yes, I do that too. I also challenge myself with vocabulary games and make sure to write down new words that I see.
Great. What about Saturday?
Saturday is my day for review and practice. I watch educational videos related to English learning, like those on Jessica's channel.
The channel is Learn English with Jessica, right?
Yes, it helps me consolidate what I've learned throughout the week. There are a lot of nice videos with exercises for you to practice. You can practice all of your skills and learn new vocabulary.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
That channel helped me a lot. I'm still watching videos from it every day.
Sounds like a well-rounded plan. So, what do you do on Sundays?
Sundays are for rest and relaxation. It's important to take breaks, reflect on my goals, and plan the study topics for the next week.
Thank you, Jason. I really appreciate your advice. I will definitely try applying your methods to improve my English learning more effectively.
You're welcome, Lucy. I know you can do it.
That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Remember to practice English every day to improve your skills. Watch the video at least 3 times a week and repeat daily conversations to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Try to mimic the intonation and pronunciation in the video to enhance your speaking fluency and pronunciation. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Please subscribe to the Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos.